Boys, it's women thing to do texting on phone. It's women thing to call a woman to talk to her. Men never call a woman to talk to her. If a woman needs a man for something, then it's she who calls you to talk to you. So you never do texting. More specifically speaking, you never initiate texting from your end with any women. Wait for them to send you messages or to text with you. Being a man, you never initiate, you never make a call to any women. It's it's women who will call you if she will need you for something, if she will need to talk to you for something. It is you who will make a call to you. And when you are initiating texting with women, when you are making a call to a woman from your end, first it is making her believe that you are kind of chasing her, which turns her off. Second, it makes her believe that you are needy and desperate to be with women. So it also turns her off. Boys, to keep a woman interested in you, you never make her believe that it is you who need her, it is you who is desperate for her, and it is you who is interested in her. If a woman finds out that the man is interested in her, it actually turns her off, because she starts thinking that I am better than this man, and women never really like and feel attraction towards a man who is below her. So for a woman to keep her interested in you, you always need to keep the frame that it is she who likes you, it is she who is attracted to you, it is she who is interested in you, and it is not you who is interested in her, it is not you who needs her. So not initiating the text from your end to any girl, not initiating a call, not making a call from your end to any girl, actually helps in setting this frame that you don't need her, you are not desperate for her, and you are also not too much interested in her. If she needs you, she can make the call. If she needs you, she can make the text. And this frame helps in keeping you above her, which consequently keeps her interest in you. And boys, for any man-women dynamic, for any man-women equation to work, it is very important that woman stays interested in you, that women finds you attractive. So boys, never do these mistakes of initiating texting with a girl or making a call to a girl from your end. Always wait for their text, always wait for their call. And even when you are texting and even when you are talking to them, keep it short. Don't reply in longer messages, and also don't reply in too many of messages. Also, even when you are on a call, talk less. Only talk about the things which are of any importance, and immediately cut the call. You do not need to lengthen, you do not need to elongate your calls, and you do not need to talk. You do not need to give too much of time in talking, in calling to any woman. Boys, the more distant you will learn to keep yourself from the girl, the more passive you will learn to stay with a girl, the more it will build an attraction in her for you, and the more interesting she will find you, and better chances of keep on getting sex or love from her there will be. Being a man, in case of woman, your only job is to give her a little fun time. I mean, with someone she enjoys pleasure and she enjoys the fun, and that's it, boys. You do not need to be her savior, you do not need to care too much about them, you do not need to hover around them all the time. You do not need to chase them all the time. Stay distant, stay aloof, call or talk to them only when they need you, and always keep that time, even that fun time, short. Give her the fun of your company, and that's it. Move yourself away from her. That's it. Your job is done. You have done your job, the job for which she needs you. Now you can get back into your life, and now you can get back onto your real purpose, the purpose of building your own island, the purpose of elevating your own life. This is where you need to stay focused in. This is where you need to keep yourself busy in.